Hello and welcome back. So today we're gonna learn about letters, and we have a full alphabet and we have different colors for each letter. Let's start. Oh no, where are the letters gone? Let's find the letters. Let's go. And here comes the truck. Look, it is a big truck with the big wheels. And this truck is yellow color. Let's say to the truck, open, open. And it's opening. Yay! Look how many shapes we have. And here we have a first letter. It's letter A. Great, we found our first letter, and it's a red color. Letter A. Well done. Great. Here we have a ball, and let's open it and see what's inside. Can you hear? Yeah, there is something inside that ball. Let's open it. Yay! We have a letter B, and it's an orange color. But we also have in the bowl strawberry. It's a red color, strawberry. We also have tomato. And we also, the last one, we have watermelon. Great. And here our letter B. We found it. Perfect. You're doing well. Let's continue to find other letters. Here we have an egg. And there is something inside that egg. Let's shake it. Can you hear? Should we open the egg? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Great. We have different numbers here, and we also have 2 letters. Letter C, yellow color, and letter D, green color. And also you can see that we have numbers, and it's different colors and different numbers. Let's count together. Number 1, yellow color. Number 2, green color. Number 3, red color. Number 4, blue color. Number 5, yellow color. Number 6, green color. Number 7, red color. Number 8, blue color. Number 9, yellow color. And number 10, green color. We counted all the numbers. Great. Well done. And we also found 2 letters. Letter C and letter D. Great. Let's continue on our journey to find letters. And here comes the robot, and he has a green bucket. And let's ask the robot to show what is there in a green bucket. Hey robot, can you show us what's there in a green bucket? Yay! Look, we have different balls there. We have a pink ball, and we have other colors. We have a star ball. We have black stars and orange color. Great. And look, there is our letter E, and it's a dark green color. We found our letter. Great. Let's continue. And we have 3 cubes. We have small cube, we have medium cube size, and we have a large size cube. And here in the cubes, we have 2 boys and 1 girl. Let's open our cubes. Let's open the medium one and see who is inside there. Look, this is our friend. It's a leopard. And it has yellow color and black dots. Great, we found leopard, but there is no any letters there. Let's continue searching our letter, and it's letter F. Let's open this one. Look, we have there elephant. An elephant is gray color and it has big ears. Wow, we haven't found any letter here. And we have our last cube, the large cube. And we have girl on the cube. Should we open this cube? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there is the lion. Look how big the lion is. And also we have letter F. And letter F is blue color. Great, we found the letter F. And here is the lion. Thank you, lion, for bringing the letter F. Well done. Let's continue. Here comes the police car. Look how big the police car is. And there is the officers in the car. And let's ask officers to open the back door so we can open these two doors. Let's say, hey, police officers, can you please open the doors? Yes, they said yes, let's open. Let's open the doors. And we have here the two doors. And let's look inside. What's there inside of these doors? We have, oh, there is the different shapes and there is the fox. And it has the green color. Look, and there is the fire truck. And it's like red color. And there is the elephant. And it's violet color around, and elephant is a bit blue color. Great. And there is two letters inside. Let's take one by one. Let's take, this is the G letter. And it's violet color. Great. Let's place it here. And let's take our last letter from this truck. It's H. And it's pink color. Great. We found two letters. Thank you, police officers. And we also found the fire truck, the fox, and the elephant. Well done. Perfect. And here we have a red cattle. And we have something inside there. Let's open the red kettle. Here it goes. And here we have a mushroom. And we have another mushroom. Look, we have two mushrooms. And this mushroom has red color and yellow color. And this one has yellow color and brown color. Let's see what's there inside. And here we have last mushroom, and it's white color mushroom. Great. And here you can see we have egg. Great. And what's there inside? Oh, it's our letter. We found our letter, and the letter name is I. It's letter I, and it's red color. Amazing. We found letter I. And we have two eggs. And in these two eggs, we have a minions. And to open this egg, we need to turn around. Let's turn it around so the head matches the body. Let's do it. Yes. And let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Great. We have our letter G, and it's brown color. Amazing. But we also have blue wheels. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 blue color wheels, and we counted together, and we found our letter G. And we have our next egg that we need to match the head with the body. Let's do it. Let's turn around. Yes, yes. It's coming along. Let's do it. There is 2 minions head. Let's do it. Yes, we got it. And let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Great. And we have wheels, pink wheels, and we have our letter K, yellow color. Great. Let's count together pink wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 pink wheels, and we have our letter K, yellow color. Great. We found 2 letters, letter K and letter J. And here comes the choo-choo train. Look, and we have a lot of numbers. And you can see that there is our letter. But to get to our letter, we need to count those numbers. And let's count together. Number 1, green color. Number 2, blue color. Number 3, orange color. Number 4, blue color. Number 5, yellow color. Number 6, red color. Number 7, yellow color. Number 8, green color. Number 9, orange color. And here you can see the boy inside of the train, and he has our letter. And let's try to take our letter. We open the roof of the train, and let's take our letter. And what letter is it? Let's see. It's letter L that we found, and it's green color. Well done. You're doing amazing. Let's continue. And here comes the big egg, and it's full of surprises. And we can open it. And it has white color and red color. Should we open? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look. We have different animals here. And let's start one by one to name those animals. And this is horse. Right, this is horse. Look how fast it is. And this is the giraffe. And giraffe has yellow color and orange dots. And also giraffe doesn't have bones in the neck. And it's really long neck and really long legs. Great. And next we have turtle. Look, and it's green here and brown here. And look how small it is, the turtle. Great. Let's continue with other animals. And here we have butterfly. And butterfly can fly, so it doesn't go as horse or giraffe. It's flying like this. Great. And we have our last animal, and it's horse that can do really fast run like this. And you can see it has the brown color and black color. Great. And let's look inside of the egg. What's there? And there is our 2 letters. Letter M, green color. And we also have letter N, blue color. We found 2 letters inside of the big egg. And we also went through the animals. Look, we have different animals here. And we found 2 letters, letter M and letter N. Great, perfect. And here comes the car, and it's yellow car, and it has the big wheels. And look what car brought us. Oh, it's a boat. and let's shake it. Can you hear? Yeah, it's a ball. And let's open it on 1, 2, 3. Yes, and we have in a bowl 3 sausages. Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 sausages. And let's look inside of the bowl. And there is our letter. And it has purple color. And it's letter O. Look, great. Well done. Let's continue on our alphabet journey. And here comes the alligator. And look, the alligator brought us the yellow bucket. And the yellow bucket is full of different bowls. And somewhere in the bucket, we have our letters. And I can see there, it's somewhere here, our letters. But before taking those letters, we need to count balls. Let's count together. 1 ball. Number 2 ball. Number 3 ball. Number 4 ball. Number 5 ball. Number 6 ball. Number 7 ball. Number 8 ball. Number 9 ball. Number 10 ball. We have here 10 balls. And let's see what's inside the yellow bucket. Look, there is 2 letters for our alphabet. Let's take them. Oh, and it is letter Q. It's red color. And we have letter P. It's pink color. Great, we found 2 letters. Thank you, alligator, for bringing us 2 letters in a yellow bucket. Great, let's continue. And we have 5 different cups. And each of these cups can contain our letters for our alphabet. Let's open our first cup. Here it goes on 1, 2, 3. Oh, we don't have here a letter, but we have 3 fishes. And we have fish that has number 1. We have fish number 2. And we have fish number 3. Okay, we counted those fishes. Let's continue with our cups. Which cup should we open first? Let's try this one. And let's open on 1, 2, 3. Oh, there is no any letters here, but we have fishes. So let's count them. We have fish number 4. We have fish number 5. We have fish number 6. Great. Let's continue with opening our cups. Let's do this one. Can you hear? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there is 2 fishes, but there is our letter S. Great. We found letter S. And it's yellow color. Let's count fishes. The fish number 8 and the fish number 7. We found 8 fishes and we found the letter S. Let's continue with opening our cups. Okay, which one should we open? Which one should we open? Let's open this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have fish number 9 here. Let's place it right here. And we have the letter R. And it's color brown. Great. Here we're gonna have our letters. So we found 2 letters. Letter S and letter R. Great. let's continue with our cups. And we have our last cup. And let's open it. And we have number 10 fish. Let's place it here. And we also have letter T. And it's green color. Letter T. So we found letter S, letter R, and letter T. And we also found 10 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done! We found 3 letters and 10 fishes. Great! Let's continue. And here comes the truck. Look, and truck has the car and the kettle. Okay, let's try to open the kettle. But first, we need to place the car on the ground. Great, we place it. And it can... Let's go with the kettle and open it. Can you hear there is something inside? And it's a red color kettle. Let's open it. Great. We have different vegetables there and fruits. Let's go through. This is the broccoli and it's a green color. This is orange and it's orange color. This is corn and it's orange color. And last one, we have a lemon and it's yellow color. Great. Let's take our letters, and there is 2 letters. It's letter U and it's green color, and we have letter V. It's blue color. We found 2 letters inside of the kettle. And we also found the car, which is blue color. Great. Well done. Let's continue with other letters. And here we have a train. And behind the train, we have 2 cubes. But to get to those cubes, we need to move a train. Let's do it. Let's say, train, move. Let's say it again. Train, move. And you can see that the train started to move. Great. And here we have big cube and the small cube. On a small cube, we have rabbit. But on a big cube, we have ducks. And let's count the ducks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. Well done. We can open this cube. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have a lot of numbers here, and they're so bright and colorful. Let's take our numbers. Let's count those numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and the last one, number 10. Great. We found all numbers, and we can open the small cube. Let's open. 1, 2, 3. Look, and we have a boy who is holding our 2 letters. Thank you, boy. You helped us a lot. Let's take those 2 letters. Okay, we have 2 letters. And this is the letter W. And it's purple color. Great. And this is the letter X. And it's pink color. Great. We found 2 letters. Amazing. You're doing marvelous. Great. And we have house that's full of different shapes. And inside of this house, we have letters for our alphabet. So let's explore the house. Look, there is 3 circles. It's orange color. It's 1 circle. Circle number 2 and circle number 3. But there is no any letter inside. Let's turn around the house. And you can see we have blue color window number 1 and blue color window number 2. And also we have blue color door. Great. Let's turn up. Oh, look. There is letter Z. Let's take it. Oh no, where'd it go? Wow. Oh, it's here. Great. But to take the letter Z, we need to pull this trigger. So let's place it here and pull it like this. Great. We have letter Z and it's orange color. Great. But there is also other parts of house that we need to explore. Let's open the roof. Look, I can see there is green cubes, but I don't see any letters. But let's check and take out each cube one by one. And this is green color cube. Let's take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 4 green cubes. Great. Let's see if there is a letter inside. Yes, it's there. It's letter Y. Great. And it's a red color. We found 2 letters, letter Z and letter Y. Great. Well done. And we found all our letters. Let's count how many letters we found. And let's count together all the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. We found 26 letters. Well done. Great.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.